Ho, ho, ho! Not quite Christmas, but it is time to open the Archie's Paints Christmas Advent Calendar. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to have to take this tape off because on the other side of here is my address, so give me one little second and I'll be back. Here we go, guys. Are you ready? And just to prove it's Archie again, there we go. There's our little puppy friend. Looks like we've got a few little freebies. Shimmer spruce, dentists, taxes, inflation, and starshine. What is that about? A little card. Let's have a look. Oh, it's got the cutest little sticker on the back. I love the Archie stickers. Oh, yappy Christmas. So cute. Andrea, thank you so much for ordering the 2025 Advent Calendar. Merry Christmas and a fabulous New Year from Kaylee and Archie the Pup. As usual, we've got little goodies in here. So this is where to find them, guys. I will, of course, put links below for everybody. Now, there's a possible scary story to go with this. There's the threat that this might be some of the last paint that Archie's ever makes. She's met her target. You can have a look on Instagram, it's on there. She's met her target and she's definitely stopping for a little while, and I hope very much that she comes back because this paint is fabulous. And what am I going to do every Christmas if they don't come back? Please come back, Archie's. So as usual, we've got the paint care card, which tells you how to use the paint and how to store the paint. And then it's all wrapped with the gorgeous stickers. Now, because they've threatened to run away and not make paint anymore, I have got additional paints this year. Not just the Advent Calendar. I purchased some other colours. Oh, and I got some freebies too. So we got the little freebies, then we got some big freebies. Oh, so exciting. We might wait. We might open them for Christmas. Christmas present. And I'm going to save these and we're going to open them and test them out on a different video. Alright, guys? So these are the colours that I chose from the standard colours on the Archie's Etsy store. Again, I will link all that below, so if you want to grab one of these advent calendars or some of these paints before they go, do click on it quickly and get yourself an early Christmas present. We'll come back to these though. So let's get these out, because I don't want to set this paper on fire. We've done that before. We know what I'm like, I can't be trusted. So I've got a packet and a sweetie. I get a sweetie. Can't tell what flavour it is. Oh, it's cherry. Nice. Christmassy. Right, let's open the flat one because I think this is going to be our tester card. I don't know why I'm being careful, but I always am. We've been here before. Oh, cute. Oh, look at all of them names. So we've got Garden Centre, Cheers, Grotto, Party, Fleece, Snow Globe, Nativity, Sniffles, Defrost, Broth, Tree Skirt, Winterberry, Armadillo, I mean, I like armadillos, but I don't know how it's relevant. If anybody knows how that's relevant to Christmas, let me know. Santa Honey, Film Night, Retro Tree, Little Donkey, Carrot Baton, Sticky Tape, Slushy, Black Ice, Marzipan, Narwhal, Coolies, I also don't know what that is, and Spaceman. I do know what a Spaceman is, but I don't know how it's relevant. But this is our tester card, so this will be on, yeah, it's one-sided 300 GSM by the feel, and it's got a slight texture, so that's going to be good. And these all feel like, by the way, cute little washi tape as usual. I don't know where she gets all this washi tape from. It's beautiful. So this year, for the same reason, I got the half pan set. I'm just going to pour them out. Oh my days, look how cute that is. Oh, they look like little sweets. They were all numbered and in order, so we could, if we'd have wanted, have just taken them out one by one and not had to look for them later. But where's the fun in that? Where is the fun in that? That's the point of an advent calendar. You've got to find today's number. Now, obviously, it's the 30th of November today, so there is no today's number. But these, I'll go with these. And we will be opening the first one tomorrow. Are you excited? I am. I've got an absolute pile of ARCHIE'S paints. Woohoo! We're going to have some shiny paintings this year, guys. So join me for the ARCHIE'S Christmas Advent Calendar, starting tomorrow. Are you excited? Let me know down below. Do you have anything like this? Do you have a suggestion for anybody? Everybody should follow my suggestion. Go and buy one of these before it runs out. It's on 50% off. It is an absolute bargain. I will link it down below. You're not going to get it in time for the 1st, but any time in December counts. Go get it, guys. And until tomorrow, when the advent calendar begins, I'll see you next time. Be happy.